Hello everyone, and welcome to the introduction to the new set of videos that I will be posting on YouTube and my website richardkilleen.co.uk, as well as other social media platforms as well. So I've been currently studying for my CCNP stroke CCIE service provider, and I'm currently in the middle of creating a CCNP service provider course for Udemy. However, I've been procrastinating for some months, and I finally decided to get my finger out and get cracking. So I've been thinking of a new way of delivering content to people, to maybe even increase my YouTube channel and basically just increase my presence on the service provider stage. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be releasing sets of videos as the weeks go by, and I'm trying a new format where I'm creating a workbook for a particular technology, and within that workbook we're going to have things, as we can see here, the topology that we're going to use, and we're also going to have things like some basic tasks. In this case, with the first one, which a video will hopefully be up tomorrow for this, basic tasks, i.e. create your ISIS or whichever technology that we happen to be doing at the time. Another task, use your verification commands. And within the workbook as well, we will have the things like the solutions to the actual problem as well. Now, things like configuration files, they are going to be all on my personal website. Freely download the actual configuration files, the EVNG topology files as well, so you can import it into EVNG if that's what you want to do, and obviously the workbooks as well. And as time goes by and we have more and more videos going up and more workbooks, I'll look to start getting them all into one big workbook as we go forward. Now, this is basically because it helps me, because of course if I can teach something, then that means I know it, and it also helps you. I mean, at the end of the day, so trying to get hold of some information can be difficult. I mean, simple things like a bit of ISIS, bit of OSPF, BGP, etc. I mean, that's 10 a penny. They're everywhere. But as you start getting into the CCIE level stuff, it's a little bit more difficult to get hold of decent information that doesn't cost a bomb. And I've always been one believing in sharing is caring. I'm not the sort of person who likes to hold information back. So when I learn, you will learn. Or at least that's my hope anyway. So I would like some feedback, if possible, on what would you think of this sort of format that I'm going with, i.e. using my own created workbooks, to give us an idea of how the technology works and get some practical experience of using these technologies as well. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we will actually start working through workbook 1, basic ISIS, and we'll see where that leads us. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to seeing you soon.